With the demand for fitness tracking, budget-conscious shoppers are discovering that you don't need to spend a fortune to stay healthy and connected. Affordable fitness trackers under $100 now deliver impressive features like heart rate monitoring. The Oura Ring 4 is a sleek and minimalistic alternative to traditional wrist-worn fitness trackers, offering powerful health insights in a discreet form. Crafted with durable titanium and a premium silver finish, it tracks heart rate, sleep stages, activity levels, and recovery metrics with impressive precision. Its lightweight build ensures all-day comfort, while advanced sensors. List 2. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is one of the most popular budget-friendly trackers, offering a wide range of health and fitness features in a slim, lightweight design. It monitors heart rate 24/7, tracks steps, calories burned, and sleep patterns, and provides stress management tools to help improve your overall well-being. Its workout intensity tracking helps optimize your exercise sessions. List 3. This versatile fitness tracker is designed for both men and women, delivering essential health monitoring features without breaking the bank. It offers continuous 24-hour heart rate monitoring, accurate step counting, calorie tracking, and comprehensive sleep analysis. The large, easy-to-read display makes it ideal for users who prefer a simple interface without unnecessary distractions. List 4. The CloudPome Fitness Tracker is a stylish and functional choice for budget-conscious buyers, offering all the core features you'd expect in a quality wearable. It tracks steps, distance, calories burned, heart rate, and sleep quality with commendable accuracy. The built-in pedometer helps you stay on top of your daily movement goals, while the long battery life ensures it's ready when you are. The watch is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, syncing data seamlessly via its user-friendly app. List 5. This large-screen fitness tracker offers easy readability and a premium feel at a budget-friendly price. It includes features like 24-hour heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, calorie tracking, and multi-sport modes to suit various workout styles. The vivid display makes it effortless to check your stats at a glance, and the touch interface ensures smooth navigation.